Okay, so now that we've discussed the pages and posts, I didn't want to skip around the menu too much, but there are some other important links. So media, which would have all your images, documents, videos, and audio saved. So you would have a list here of all your saved media. Comments are going to be from anyone who's viewed your blog, post, webpage, and have, provided you with some comments. Feedback here is going to be another site. So I'm not going to click the link because it will open up another tab completely, and I do want to go over some more things on this screen. Jetpack. Let's just close this site and go to the Jetpack. So this is going to have your activity log. So any changes that you've made to your WordPress, so to your page in general, will be listed there. So you could always have a history that you could look back on, and then backup. So all of your pages that you have saved, anything you're working on is going to be, that's where you'll want to go, make sure everything's backed up and saved. Design is what we're going to focus on because this is the other important component of WordPress, is going to be that once you have your content in there, and you can do this step first, you can do your design first, but I think it's important that you have your writing out there and that's organized, and then you can kind of surround your um, theme for your whole web page or post. You can customize it after, but it really doesn't matter which one you do first. It's up to you. So if we select customize, it's going to take us to another list of links. Now this page that you'll see here is just a template that I threw on there as an example. And it has the tutorial using WordPress as the title, but that's something that you could always change. What's nice about this page is that although you do have the list of links here, you can also click these icons next to each section, and it'll bring you directly to the tab that you need to change that on the page. So by selecting that icon, it took me directly to where I could change the title of the page and create a tagline. So you could do that here. And then the other links, these are obviously for social media, but if you select that, it'll take you to the social menu, in which you can put in your own credentials here, so your own Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the social media links, and you can choose to, if you scroll down here, there's other menu options, and you can kind of play with that a little bit. But that will change, and so if you have, multiple Twitters, multiple Facebooks, but they're for professional use versus personal use, you can select which one for whichever post that you want it for that particular page post that you're creating. And then this icon next to home, that is going to take you to the primary menu where you can also edit that on the page. So you can change it from home to another name if you'd like, add a description, include links and things like that. For blog as well, same thing. So this template that I had chosen, it was just like nicely laid out, but I wanted to just give you an idea of what it would look like and how we can use these tools on the top. So if we go back to that menu, there's also, so site identity allows you to create a logo, so you can include a logo at the top of the page. You can change the title, create the tagline, like I said before. But then colors and backgrounds, that's where you can go and create your own. You can either choose a palette or you can create one. So you can change up all the colors. So this is the featured one. You can choose to change the color on that, but it keeps everything else the same. And then under menus, there's that social media menu. So that would change your links up here, allow you to edit those. And then widgets. Add a widget. I'm not going to select that, but you do have that option, home page settings, and so on. So And then you would save the changes up here, and that'll save everything that you've changed. So let's go back for a second. And themes. We're going to take a look at themes. That's also part of the editing. So this customize button up here will edit that current theme that I had, which was this locally farmed green organic one. It says active here because that's the one I'm using currently. And if you click customize, it'll take you directly to that customize link that we were just on. And then there's a list of recommended themes. So you can select from any of these and have the opportunity to edit them, change them, and make them your own. So this drop-down menu also takes you back to the customize, a live demo, and then if you have any questions or need additional info, you can get that here. You could also install a theme, so you can create your own, of course. Yeah, so there's a lot of them. And then as far as design and customizing, I think it's important to have those options so you can have some more variety in your choices. So definitely want to look around and kind of play with that and see what else you can do there.